स्टडी IQ IAS, आपका सिलेक्शन हमारा मिशन।
हेलो दोस्तों, स्टडी आईक्यू के यूट्यूब चैनल पे आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मेरा नाम है चंदन शर्मा। आई एम योर फैकल्टी फॉर हिस्ट्री एंड करंट अफेयर्स एंड इट्स रेनिंग रैंक्स हियर एट स्टडी आईक्यू। सो जैसा कि आप अभी तक ऑलरेडी जान ही चुके हैं कि कई सारे रैंक्स स्टडी आईक्यू यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज 2024 के फाइनल रिजल्ट में लेकर आ पाया है। ऑब्वियसली ये रैंक्स हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के हैं और उसमें कोई इक्का दुक्का थोड़ी सी कंट्रीब्यूशन हमारी रही है। तो इसी तरह से आज भी हमारे साथ एक रैंक होल्डर मौजूद हैं, राइट। एंड सौम्या, एज आई कॉल हर, बट एक्चुअली इनका नाम जो है वो थोड़ा भारी भरकम नाम है। सो इट्स चलवदी श्रवणा सौम्या, ठीक है। सो CS Soumya to be in short. So Soumya, many congratulations to you for scoring the rank 951 and ढेर सारी बधाई आपको, आपके परिवार को। और इस वक्त मुझे पहले तो ये बताओ कि कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो आप?
Thank you, sir. Sir, I have mixed feelings. I was expecting better rank,
हम्म।
but as you shared your journey about your father being IRS miss, maybe I would enjoy this service.
यू विल मार्क माई वर्ड्स, बहुत मजा आएगा। मतलब ये एक ऐसी सर्विस है जो थोड़ी सी अंडररेटेड रहती है,
Yes, sir.
बट वंस यू जॉइन द फील्ड ना, फील्ड पोस्टिंग जैसे आपकी होती है, तो जो फैसिलिटीज आपको मिलते हैं, प्रिविलेज मिलते हैं, तो उसमें मतलब कुछ चीज़ों में एक्चुअली थोड़ा मतलब IAS से भी ज़्यादा मज़ा आना शुरू हो जाएगा, राइट। तो
Yes.
इसमें सौम्या थोड़ा सा अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताओ कि हाउ डिड यू, व्हेन डिड यू थिंक ऑफ एंटरिंग इनटू द प्रिपरेशन। क्या सोच के आपको लगा कि सिविल सर्विसेज में मुझे जाना चाहिए, एंड हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन?
Sir, I'm actually born in Tirupati, sir. And then we shifted to Hyderabad. My both parents are bankers. They are very hardworking. They are both government servants. So therefore, maybe service to people is in my blood. Then when I was graduating also in IIT Guwahati, there was an NGO. So I felt like I like helping people. Why not make this as career? So maybe that is how it started, sir. And my father couldn't clear civils because of his family problems. So this all started as an inspiration. Then after graduation, I worked in pharma company for few years. And then I decided I need to quit it and give it a proper try. So that is how it started. And hopefully maybe if I give another attempt next year, it will end with IAS. Or sir, as you said, I'll be happy with this service.
Okay, so this was your which attempt?
Sir, it is my third interview, sixth
Okay,
attempt, sir.
sixth attempt, right. And you started your preparation right after college or during the college?
So during the college, I used to watch political news and all, which is not at all useful for civils preparation. So at that time, my awareness was very limited, sir.
Okay,
So I
and your
started after graduation only.
after graduation, okay. And your optional, what was your optional subject?
My optional is anthropology. So I like that optional, sir. So that is why I pursued masters also in anthro.
So can you tell me like you had a background in pharmacy,
Yes, sir.
right? So what made you switch towards anthropology?
Sir, during that time, sir, there were ranks like Anudeep Durishetty, sir, who
Mhm.
changed his optional and then he quickly got good marks, like 300 plus. So that time I was looking for some optional which is scoring. But I was very fascinated with the subject later. So I found it very interesting. And I have cleared UGC NET also in Anthro.
Oh,
I
that
was
is really
thinking
good.
this as plan B to become assistant professor in anthropology.
Very nice, very nice. So it means you had an interest in
Yes,
anthropology. So the shift was not that, chaotic for you. It
yes,
was quite smooth.
yes, sir.
That is really good. And during the beginning of preparation, Soumya, generally it is said that we have to read NCRT books. But many students I hear, they spend lots and lots of time and they take NCRT books really seriously. Like they are spending 6 to 8 months sometimes just to complete books which are meant for school exams. So what's your take on this and how do you see this approach? And can you suggest anything which is better for the beginners so that they can make a strong foundation of their preparation?
Sir, I believe that NCRT is a must whenever they are joining any coaching. If they are joining any, like if the economy subject is going to start, they should read NCRT and also follow coaching simultaneously, sir, rather than spending so much time. Like one reading must be done before joining any coaching, but with one reading we cannot understand anything, sir. So in the second and third reading only we'll get to know what is UPSC pattern and all. So इसीलिए one reading you can just give it a glance, and then with coaching you can do it parallelly.
That's good. That's good. I hope the students who are watching this video, they are getting some very useful insights. And regarding current affairs, it is often the most feared component among the students, and probably a never-ending component, because as we speak, there are some kind of news already being cooked.
Yes.
Right. So, what was your approach regarding current affairs, and how did you tackle the vastness of this particular subject?
Sir, I'm an ardent reader of Hindu paper, so every day I used to read, but I did not know what was important for exam perspective. I used to write everything which is in paper. So
Hmm.
it used to take around 3-4 hours.
Hmm.
That is when, sir, I started looking for other sources, which compiles current affairs. Then I stumbled upon your channel, sir, Study IQ, Chandan sir, and other. I'm a great follower of these videos. So whenever I have any confusion with respect to any topic, I used to type that and just type Study IQ. So then I used to watch those videos. So that
Okay.
saved a lot of time, sir. Whenever I'm
And
idle, whenever I didn't feel like studying, also I used to watch
Mhm.
the videos.
So the Hindu, what about Indian Express? Matlab, didn't you find Indian Express a little bit, useful in your preparation?
Sir, I am based in Hyderabad, so here we don't get Indian Express, sir. When I
Oh,
read it online, it is like a book.
okay.
It's like current affairs magazine every day. So it was very overwhelming for me.
So basically, where you are located in a country, that also, decides the choice of the newspaper. Okay, I get it. I
Very
get it.
well.
Okay. And study IQ के बारे में आप बता रहे थे. So, in addition to the videos and my videos as well on study IQ, और क्या क्या चीज़ें आप बता सकते हो कि किस तरीके से आप इनको अप्रोच करते थे, या प्रिपरेशन में कैसे इनका थोड़ा बेनिफिट आपको मिला?
Sir, I took the benefit in the interview preparation. Anik
हम्म.
Parup sir personally guided people. He formed a group and he encouraged group discussion. So,
हम्म.
so that was very helpful, sir, according to me.
That's great. And UPSC में, if you don't mind telling us, आपके बोर्ड में who was the board member? पैनल, जो पैनल बना था इंटरव्यू का,
This time or previous attempt, sir?
this time?
Suban Sharma ma'am, sir.
Suman Sharma ma'am. Okay. And how was the experience in the interview?
Sir, ma'am is known to ask questions which are not based on DAF. So
Okay.
these were very random.
Okay.
So I studied in Guwahati. So one member entirely asked questions from Assam. And
Mm-hmm.
then another lady asked me poets of Varanasi, but
Mm-hmm.
based in Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh. So
Okay.
so that is why it was not on expected lines. I prepared a lot. Even Ravi sir also helped me a lot.
Mm-hmm.
But the questions were unexpected. Had I got another board, maybe I would have gotten better score. That is what I'm thinking.
Mm-hmm.
I remember, sir, just after the interview was over and the medical was over, Soumya called me and she was just ranting about that board member and the questions that they asked. It was
Sometimes
so,
it happens.
Yes,
it
sir.
was very disheartening, sir, for me to see our student in so much of the problems that they faced during the interview, na, sir. So it was very disheartening in spite of working so much hard, na, sir.
Mm.
So,
It used to happen earlier as well. हमारे टाइम पे ना विनय मित्तल सर का बोर्ड हुआ करता था, एंड सुजाता मेहता मैम also was there in the board. So even they were known for asking out of the blue questions. और विनय मित्तल सर, he was basically वो चेयरमैन रेलवे बोर्ड रिटायर हुए थे, और उसके बाद वो यूपीएससी में एज बोर्ड मेंबर गए थे. आई थिंक चेयरमैन, वो यूपीएससी के भी चेयरमैन रह चुके थे. तो उनका क्या होता था कि राइट व्हेन यू यूज टू फील ना कि हाँ मेरी इंटरव्यू हो गई, अब जाने वाले हैं, जाते जाते एक आखिरी चीज पूछ लेते थे कि ये मणिपुर के सारी नेबरिंग स्टेट्स बता दो, या किसी एक नॉर्थ ईस्ट का नाम लेके कि सारा का सारा जो नेबरिंग है वो बता दो, कि मतलब एकदम रैंडम. और उसमें मतलब समटाइम्स स्टूडेंट्स यूज टू गो लाइक सॉरी सर आई कांट रिमेम्बर, और बाहर निकल के हमें पता ही नहीं लगता था कि भाई हमारी इंटरव्यू अच्छी हुई, मॉडरेट हुई कि खराब हुई. So there is an element of unpredictability definitely, but nevertheless rank आना एक बड़ी बात है,
Yes,
और इसमें अच्छी सर्विस, you will land a good service.
yes.
ओके, सो सौम्या, इसमें अभी हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी 25 मई को अपना प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम लिखने जा रहे हैं, तो
Yes.
इनके लिए कोई मैसेज आप देना चाहोगे, शेयर करना चाहोगे, जो आपके एक्सपीरियंस से आपको लगता है कि प्रीलिम्स से पहले इन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए?
Just like don't go by elimination tricks or anything, because first timers they could get negative marks also by random
हम्म,
elimination tricks. And
हम्म,
secondly, don't go by any new material. If you have studied only 3 subjects, revise that only for next
हम्म,
3 days.
हम्म,
For repeaters, I would say that at least 2 revisions they should do next 30 days. 20 days, one entire revision, and last 10 days, they should focus on the facts which people forget, like
हम्म,
polity articles, modern history ka books ho gaya, governor generals. So these kind of stuff, which are major themes.
quick revision material, quick
Yes,
reference
yes,
material.
quick
Okay.
revision.
And for the aspirants who are currently in college and they are aspiring for civil services, तो
Yes.
उनको लेकर क्या सजेशन आपकी होगी कि कॉलेज के साथ प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर दें या नहीं, अभी कॉलेज पे फोकस करो, कंप्लीट करने के बाद हम तैयारी शुरू करेंगे, या तैयारी ही शुरू नहीं करनी चाहिए, कुछ और ही कर लो? तो उसमें आप क्या सजेस्ट करोगे सौम्या?
College life, we can never get it back, sir. So
हम्म,
we should enjoy the best. But लेकिन जिसमें like every year, like in our thing, 8 months we used to have the course, and 4 months we used to get break. So during break, people can start with NCRT, and then
ओके,
can start learning about new current affairs. They can watch study IQ videos, which
हम्म,
covers from basics to the advanced level. So this
हम्म,
they could prep this up, and then after graduation they can join any coaching. So
ओके,
not completely about UPSC, but at least during break they can use it, sir.
हम्म। एंड सौम्या, एज यू सेड दैट आपका फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट जो था वो 2018 में था, राइट?
Sir,
2000 2000
19, sir.
19 में फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था, यू स्टार्टेड इन 2018, ओके। सो 2018 से प्रिपरेशन शुरू की, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट 2019 में, तो ये ना अभी अगर हम देखें तो ये 7 साल का एक टाइम पीरियड रहा है।
Yes, sir.
एंड दिस टाइम पीरियड इज वो टाइम पीरियड जब ना एक चेंज आ रहा था कि हमारी 2G 3G 4G 5G ये कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इवॉल्व हो रही थी, एंड धीरे धीरे ऑनलाइन कंटेंट बनना स्टार्ट हो गया, और कोविड ने इसको क्या दिया, एक कैटलिस्ट की तरह एक्ट किया,
Yes,
फिर एजुकेशन में ऑनलाइन थोड़ा बूम किया। तो आपका इसमें क्या ओपिनियन है कि क्या आज की डेट में ऑनलाइन सोर्सेज मतलब आर दे डिस्ट्रैक्शंस, या एक्चुअली वो कोई वैल्यू एडिशन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं?
sir, online definitely it creates FOMO, sir, and lot of unnecessary content is also there, which
हम्म,
creates infodemics. So
हम्म,
students have to be very careful in choosing only few channels which are
हम्म,
recommended by toppers. So this
हम्म,
way, sir, your videos are very helpful. So just they can just type Chandan sir videos and then they can watch it. उसमें कोई time waste ही नहीं होगा. So they should choose very wisely, sir. This is my remark.
राइट। एंड इस बड़े एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन, जैसे कई बार क्या होता है कि एक एक समय था जब कहा जाता था कि इतने बड़े एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन घर बैठे कर नहीं सकता कोई, तो ऑनलाइन ने इस चीज को चेंज कर पाई है आपके हिसाब से, कि घर
Definitely.
बैठे भी आज प्रिपरेशन?
Yes, sir, definitely. Even online mentoring is also there, where
हम्म,
people are hand holding them. So this
हम्म,
way, people can help students keep in track. So earlier they used to crave for offline because they used to get peer group and
हम्म,
mentorship and all. Now everything is available online.
हम्म,
So very excellent mentors are there. So this way they can handhold them, they can guide them, they can motivate them even online also. No need of going to any Delhi or even Hyderabad for that matter.
ओके। सो थैंक यू सो मच सौम्या फॉर जॉइनिंग अस, एंड वंस अगेन आपके पेरेंट्स को, आपकी फैमिली को, आपको सभी को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। और हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि वंस यू एंटर द सर्विसेज यू आर गोइंग टू मेक दैट चेंज विच टेक्स आवर कंट्री फॉरवर्ड। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि हमारी इस वीडियो के माध्यम से सौम्या मैम की जो डिस्कशन यहाँ पर हुई है, उन्होंने जो इंसाइट्स दी हैं हमारे यंग लर्नर्स, हमारे यंग एस्पिरेंट्स के कई डायलेमास को वो दूर करेगी, और वो भी अपनी जर्नी में जल्द से जल्द सक्सेस को हासिल करेंगे। सो आज के लिए इतना ही, जल्दी मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सौम्या, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस।
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you,
ऑल द
Soumya.
बेस्ट, ऑल द बेस्ट।
All the best. Congratulations, Soumya, once again. ठीक है?
Thank you.
स्टडी IQ IAS, आपका सिलेक्शन हमारा मिशन।